Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atuleke. So today's video is going to be different. I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this lovely statement headband. Yes, so we are going to cut out 3 pieces of fabric. I've already shown from the beginning. The first one we are going to use for the statement headband, it will be 40 inches long, 10 inches wide. Then the second one will be for the elastic. It will be 15 inches long, 4 inches wide. Then the third one will be the lining inside. It will be 15 inches long, 3 inches wide. Then the elastic I'm going to be using will be 7 inches. If you don't want your elastic to be free, you can remove 1 inch, but I want mine to be free on my head. I don't want what is going to be tight on my head. So you can see what I'm doing. I fold the 40 inches long, 10 inches wide fabric. I fold it into 2, then I use a pin to hold it down. Then I start sewing. If you have a sewing machine, you can actually use a sewing machine. I have a sewing machine, but I don't want to use. I want to achieve this headband with needle and thread because of people that don't have sewing machine. So this is a very beginner friendly. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm making use of the big needle. I'm not using the small needle. I'm just sewing it, and I thread the needle into the wool twice. I fold it like twice, then I get it into the needle. So you can see the method I use in sewing. Just sewing it, then I will sew it down. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I can be notified when I upload a new video, because this kind of video is going to be coming in. Yes, I'll be doing a very lovely beginner DIY headband now. So this is my first project. After I'm done sewing it down, can you see, I'll put that one aside. Then I'm going to take the second fabric, which is the elastic fabric. The elastic fabric is 15 inches long, 4 inches wide. So this is it. I wrote the name on the pieces so that I'll mix them together. Then I'll do the same thing. I'm going to use a pin to pin it down so that it will be easier for me to sew, so that I won't miss the sewing. So I'll just start sewing the way I did with the first one. I'm going to sew down. Yeah, so after I'm done, I'm going to turn out the fabric. I'll turn it out to the main face. I'll turn it out so it won't show that we sew it. I'm turning the elastic fabric, I'm turning it out also. When I'm done turning it out, now I want to start sewing our elastic. I'm going to use the safety pin to put it in. Then I'll first of all secure the first one at the tip. You can see I'm just sewing it in to secure it. After I'm done, I'm going to use a lighter just to burn the tip because of the excess shed from the material. So I'll just use a lighter to burn that tip. Then the second side, I'll take out the office pin. Then I'll start sewing. After I'm done sewing, I'm going to do the same method. I'll use a lighter just to burn the excess tip. Then this is the lining inside. This is the lining. I'm going to pass the lining through now. That is what I'm doing, passing the lining through. After I'm done passing the lining through, I'm going to secure the first tip. You can see I'm using my phone to hold it so that it won't go in. So I'll secure the first tip by sewing it down. I'll sew it down to secure the first tip. After I'm done with the first one, I'll secure the second one. I'll use a pin to hold it down also, so that it will be easier for me to sew down, so that it won't go inside. So I'll sew it down. After I'm done sewing it down, can you see, I'll take the elastic we sew together. I'll take it, then I'll sew it on the main fabric. I don't even know how I'm going to say this, but I know you understand. I'll sew it at the middle. After I'm done sewing it at the middle, you're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold the excess one. I'll fold it on each other. You're going to see it. This is what I meant. You are going to fold it on each other, then you sew it down. If you don't get this part, you can easily rewind it back to watch it again. Then the second one, I'll sew it at the middle again, then I'll fold it on each other. Any parts you don't get, you can easily rewind it back to watch it again. This is a very easy and very fast method. You using your needle and thread. If you don't have sewing machine, if you have sewing machine, good. This is the final look. Oh my god, I've been wanting this kind of statement headband. This is a scrunchy headband. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment down below. See my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao, love you.